Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Mahindra Pik-Up cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5307. The shape runs from the 8th month to 2011 through to the 8th month 2017. It has a 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, factory steel bull bar, right headlight, left headlight. Left guard has a small crease on the top edge. Left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left door has one small dent. Pair of factory side steps supplied with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right door appears to have no damage. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Manual type centre console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.